Now students, our next topic is kinds of social responsibility. You all understand about what is social responsibility. Now what are the different kinds of social responsibility? So number one is economic responsibility. Economic responsibility, student, that every businessman start the business for the aim of earning profit. So this is the economic responsibility of the entrepreneur, that he has to earn more and more profit. But doing the this particular responsibility, that is for earning profit, he should not forget that there is some obligations also for the society. So this is also one of the responsibility of the every business enterprise, that he can make maximum profit, or he can earn profit from the business, but he cannot do any kind of unfair activities for earning profit which will be harm to the economy. So this is the economic responsibility of every businessman, that he is doing business for earning profit, for earning for the economic reason, that is for the aim of maximization of profit. Next responsibility is legal responsibility. Legal responsibility, student, that there are some rules and regulations set by the government, so that no one can do against these laws. The laws are maintained for the maintenance of peace and order in the economy, and also for restricting unfair activities in the economy. So every businessman, for conducting the business or for running the business, should not forget the legal responsibility. This is the legal responsibility of every businessman, that he should follow all the rules and regulations set by the government while performing the business. That definitely he is doing the business for earning profit. पैसे कमाने के लिए तो business वो कर रहा है, लेकिन पैसा कमाने के लिए he has to follow the legal responsibility also, that he should not do any kind of unfair activities. He will not pollute the environment, he will not produce any kind of goods which are harmful for the people, for the which are having any kind of danger of the life of the people. And also black marketing should not be done, and other kinds of unfair trade practices will not be done by the businessmen. So this is the legal responsibilities, that business can be carried on according to the rules and regulations set by the government, and he should follow all the rules, and she should abide the rules, and he follow the whatever the duties, whatever the legal duties of the businessman, so that the business can be done smoothly. Next responsibility is ethical responsibility. Ethical responsibility, it is related to the behavior of the person, that this is the behavior of the person, that he should not do any kind of activities which should be harm to the thinking of the people, should not do any kind of things which is against the economy. That is, he should not do any kind of advertisement of the product which will be harm the religious thinking of the people. He cannot do such activities which creates religious violence in the economy, and while advertising the product, or while giving information about the new product, he should not he or she should not means they cannot avoid the they can maintain the people's values in mind. That is, he should respect all the religion. He should not means he can give more importance to one particular religion, and should be thinking of other religions also. Means he cannot do any such activities which may be harm to the other religions peoples also, and the thinking of other religions, their customs, their values, etc. So it is the uh, ethical responsibility of every businessman. He should follow such kind of behavior, so that he can respect all the people, all kinds of religions, all kinds of caste, and should produce the goods according to the needs of the customers. Next is the discretionary responsibility. This responsibility is totally voluntary. ये हमारी इच्छा के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. We cannot do any forceful responsibility of this. Like if the business is doing on for earning profit, so it is the responsibility of the businessman also, that he should do some charitable things from the business, that if any kind of natural tragedy happened in the economy, like any kind of flood will be arising, or any of the natural disaster will be happened, so the businessman also help those kinds of people who need food. If there is any kind of shortage of food any place, means this is voluntary. This is depends upon the will of the person, that he wants to help others or not. But businessman must have any such kind of arrangement, that he should do this kind of charitable work also. So this is also a responsibility of the businessman, that if any kind of need arise in the economy from such business enterprises, so he should be ready to help others. For this, he has to do the business in a proper way, and from the profit whatever he earned, he should keep some profit for helping these kinds of peoples also. So this is voluntary. So the businessman has to follow these responsibilities, that is economic responsibility definitely to earn profit, but profit should be earned not in uh, means he has to earn profit, but उसकी जगह पे उसको ऐसा नहीं कि unfair practices नहीं करनी है, legal responsibility follow करनी है, that is he has to follow the rules and regulation of the economy. Ethical responsibility means his behavior should be good, so that he will respect all the religions, all types of people in economy, and all the religions. And also discretionary responsibility means it is voluntary, that if he wants to help others from the business profit, वो अपने पैसे से जितना पैसा कमा रहा है, अगर उससे वो किसी की हेल्प करना चाहता है, किसी की मदद करना चाहता है, या कोई कहीं भी किसी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री में अगर कोई नेचुरल ट्रेजेडी हुई है, डिजास्टर हुआ है, तो उसमें अगर लोगों की हेल्प करता है, तो दिस इज नोन एज डिस्क्रिशनरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। और ये तभी कर सकता है वो जब उसके पास अवेलेबल फंड्स में से इतना पैसा हो कि वो दूसरों की मदद के लिए रख सके। सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ बिजनेस।